How to block ads on Facebook Watch. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could block the ads on Facebook Watch. If any day you would like to block the ads on Facebook Watch, at first you have to launch the very Facebook application on your device. You have to find the very Facebook application on your device, and after you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on Facebook application, Facebook will be launched on your very device. After Facebook is launched on your very device, you can go to the three lines on the very right side, and then you can just scroll down and then go to the option of settings and privacy. After going to the option of settings and privacy, now here you can see the interface like this. Here you can go to the option of settings. Now when you tap on the option of settings, here you can go to the option of see more in the account center. After that, you can just scroll down and then go to the option of add preferences. When you go to the option of add preferences, now it will take you to an interface like this here. Now when it takes to interface like this here, you can just go to any of those here and then go to the option of hide ads. Again, you can go to see all the option here, and then just turn by turn you can tap on all of these account, and after that you can just go to the option of hide ads. So this way you have to just tap all of these icons turn by turn and then go to the option of hide ads. So this is one of the method what you can do. Another is you can go to the option of add topics by going to the option of see all, and here you can tap one and then go to the option of see less or no preferences here, or then again see less like this. And this way you can also manage all the topics, and this way you can block ads on the Facebook Watch. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.